Lesson 6 talks about conducting experiments using the spinners. And it says right here, spinning a spinner or spinning a pointer on a spinner is an experiment. Oftentimes the kids don't think of that as an experiment, but it is. So when it comes to probability, this is an experiment in probability. So using this spinner down here, before we even start the experiment, we take a look at this spinner and say, what do you expect to see if you do this? So we're going to conduct the experiment 40 times. What do you expect to see if that was done? Well, because number 4 is by far the largest section, we expect that more 4s will be spun than any other number. Because number 3 is by far the smallest section, we would expect that the least number of spins would land on that area. And 1 and 2 are both the same size. So we expect that we're going to end up with about the same numbers of 1s and 2s spun, but less than 4 and more than 3. So it's really important that down here the kids realize that it is certain that a pointer will land on a number, because every section here is covered off by one of these numbers, 1, 2, 3, or 4. So when we do this, this is where we record our results, just from what the discussion is up here. All right, now moving down. It says work with a partner, place 7 yellow and 2 green counters in a bag. It's supposed to be blue, but we don't have blue, so it becomes yellow. Now, because there are 7 yellow and only 2 green, you would expect that when you pull those counters out of the bag, you're going to pull out a lot more yellow than you would green. So this is an experiment we conducted last year, and we got 27 yellow and 13 green. And that's consistent with what we would expect. So because there are 7 yellow and 2 green, there are 9 in total. But we would expect that we are going to get 7 out of the 9 being yellow. We're going to pull them more. And with only 2 out of the 9, that line again means out of or divided by, with only 2 out of 9, we're going to pull them a lot less. So this is an experiment we're going to do in class, and we will actually have these numbers gone. We're still going to have the yellow and green, but we won't have these numbers in there.